you. Well, before I came to Titacom, my experience in networking was very limited. The only thing I knew was basic stuff, and I didn't know things like routing, switching. But coming to Titacom, I can say that I'm very good at those things now, and I can confidently do a lot of routes like default, OSPF, EIGRP, and a lot more. Mr. Taiwo really took us slowly, and really made sure that we understood at every point of the lesson. So I would really recommend Titacom to any new prospect in IT, and that's just. Oh yes. We went to what's it called? We did some practical stuff. Like the other time we went in the field to Dancehall School. We helped them to configure their routers. I gained some experience from that. I knew exactly what networking was about, and what people in the field do. So we definitely got some experience from that. I would rate Titacom on at least above an 85 at the very least.